Bridalwood Apartments provide impeccable service, and we deliver quality that's second to none to give you the lifestyle you deserve. In the heart of North Olmsted, Bridalwood is close to everything you need. With easy freeway access, you can quickly get to public transportation, the airport, fine dining, and shopping malls. You can also take advantage of being near metro parks, golfing, and horseback riding. Our metropolitan community features some outstanding amenities. Meet new friends and go to new places at our entertaining social events and diverse travel club. Take a dip or relax around in our sparkling swimming pool. Work up a sweat in our state-of-the-art fitness room. You can even cook out with friends at the barbecue and picnic area. Bridalwood has the perfect home to fit your unique lifestyle. Choose from 1- and 2-bedroom homes with spacious floor plans. Prepare a gourmet meal in your large kitchen with breakfast bar. Take comfort of having extra storage in your roomy walk-in closet. Enjoy the beautiful view from your private patio or balcony. If you want carefree living with comfort and excellent service, come home to Bridalwood.